If you want to attract more wealth, health, and happiness into your life, not just for a moment, but for a lifetime, then learn this simple but powerful truth. You need to sharpen the saw and start working harder on the self. Today, I'll share 3 practical steps to transform your personal development and make you unstoppable. Success isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by the person you become. Many people focus on making more money or chasing titles, but even if you win the lottery, without personal growth, that wealth will disappear. Ever heard of lottery winners going broke in 5 years? From the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 5. Let a man lift himself by himself, let him not degrade himself. For the self alone is the friend of the self, and the self alone is the enemy of the self. In other words, your inner development creates your outer reality. So let me discuss the 3 steps to change your life. Step 1. Learn how things work. You don't need more money, you need better ideas. Everything changes with the right insight. So study success, study happiness, study wealth. Warren Buffett reads 5+ hours a day. He says that knowledge builds up like compound interest. In Gita, Krishna urges Arjuna to act with awareness and understanding, not blind action. Your knowledge shapes your destiny. Step 2. Self-education through reading, listening, and observing. Read at least 30 minutes every day. Focus on books that uplift, challenge, and teach. You also need to listen to people who've walked the path. Success leaves clues. Step 3. You need to take action and build discipline. Don't let your learning stay in your head. Apply it, because knowledge without action is meaningless. Start with small disciplines. Wake up earlier, finish that task, hit the gym, read that book. Small wins build big muscles. Self-motivation is key. If you rely on others to push you, what happens when they don't show up? In the Gita, Krishna says, you have the right to perform your duties, but not the fruits thereof. This means, focus on the process. Discipline is the path to mastery. Final step, don't try to beat the system. Some people learn just enough to cut corners. Don't do that. Shortcuts may get you fast results, but often at the cost of your integrity, peace, or long-term success. Do it right. Even if it takes longer. A house built slowly but solidly will last far longer than a quick one built on sand. Conclusion. You can change, starting today. Let me leave you with this. Any day you wish, you can change your life. Tomorrow doesn't have to look like yesterday, unless you let it. So ask yourself, what's one thing I can do starting tomorrow that will move me forward? Whatever your answer is, do it. Because the next 5 years of your life will look like the last 5, unless you change something. Takeaway recap. Work harder on yourself than on your job. Study ideas, read, listen, observe. Take action with small disciplines. Stay aligned with truth, don't cut corners. Start today, because change is always just one choice away. If this resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, your greatest asset is not your job, it's you.